Menstrual pain pipe natural cures. Menstrual pain is one of the only symptoms that comes up as regularly as the monthly bills, and they have to be tolerated like an unwelcome guest. Menstruation is often painful at the end of adolescence and the years preceding menopause, because these are the periods of hormonal fluctuations. Fortunately, menstrual cramps are usually quite mild. However, as per a research estimate, more than 60% of women experience very intolerable cramps during some of these cycles in the first 4 years of puberty or before menopause. Causes of menstrual pain. Woman's body produces prostaglandin hormone which help the uterus to contract and get rid of mucus. The uterus must contract to generate the menstrual flow, and these contractions result in experience of pain. Generally, the intensity of cramps is directly related to the amount of prostaglandin produced by the body. However, in certain cases, other factors like endometriosis might be responsible for these cramps. Endometriosis is the development of normal tissue of the uterus outside its usual location. Endometriosis really increases the pain of menstrual cramps. Another instance of unusual menstrual pain occurs when uterus tries to remove blood clots caused by fibroids. Side effects of menstrual pain. In most cases, dysmenorrhea has no consequence other than the inconvenience of pain. However, in case of intense, repeated and unrelieved menstrual pain, it can cause psychological distress, and sometimes even depression. Although it is impossible to completely eliminate cramps, there are many ways to relieve pain. Heat. Applying heat on the lower abdomen is the easiest way to control menstrual cramps. Heat helps relax the contracting muscles in the uterus. Place a heating pad over the lower part of your abdomen and lower back. You can even use a regular plastic bottle filled with hot water. Apply the heat until you feel more comfortable. Alternatively, soak a towel in water, wring out the excess water, and then heat it in the microwave for 1 minute. Place it on the lower abdomen until the towel cools. Repeat every few minutes until the pain is gone. Even taking a hot shower may relieve pain and make you feel more relaxed. Cold packs. Some women find a cold pack to be more effective than hot bath in relieving menstrual pain. Cold pack helps constrict blood vessels, which provides relief from the cramps. Ice pack prepared by putting ice in a zipped plastic bag and covering it with a towel can be placed on the abdomen for 15 to 20 minutes. Exercise. Relaxation exercises are effective remedy for menstrual pain. Walking is effective in reducing menstrual pain because it improves blood circulation in the pelvic area. Swimming is also very effective in reducing menstrual pain as it releases endorphins, the body's natural painkiller, which is effective home remedy for menstrual pain. Another effective light exercise for menstrual cramps is as follows. Lie on the back on the floor or a bed, knees bent, feet flat on the floor or on the bed, and stretch out your arms to the side, palms flat. Swing your stomach slightly up and down for several minutes, by relaxing the muscles. By making these small movements, taking quick, short breaths, one can get relief from menstrual pain. Food rich in calcium. Several independent research have shown that women who consumed about 1,200 milligrams of calcium per day or more witness a reduction in their menstrual pain. Calcium helps maintain normal muscle tone. Muscles rules that lack calcium tend to become hyperactive, which causes menstrual cramps. Thus, calcium provides a great relief from menstrual pain. Calcium also helps in reducing water retention and improving mood. On an average, women are recommended a minimum daily intake 800 milligrams of calcium, which equates to about 3 cups of milk. The normal staple diet is naturally deficient in calcium. A glass of skimmed milk or a cup of yogurt provides approximately 300 milligrams of calcium. Taking food naturally rich in calcium is effective in treatment of menstrual pain. Ginger. Ginger is a wonder herb that can effectively ease menstrual cramps. This herb plays a key role in lowering the levels of the pain-causing prostaglandins. It also helps fight fatigue associated with premenstrual syndrome and can make irregular periods regular. Grate a small piece of ginger and boil it in a cup of water for 5 minutes. Strain it and add a little honey and lemon juice. Drink this tea 3 times a day during your menstrual cycle. You can also add ginger in your food while cooking or suck on some ginger candies. Basil. Basil is another very effective herb for reducing menstrual pain and cramps. The caffeic acid present in basil has analgesic, or pain-killing properties. Add 1 tablespoon of basil leaves to 1 cup of boiling water. Cover tightly and allow it to cool. Drink this every few hours to ease cramps. Alternatively, crush a handful of basil leaves to extract the juice. Add 2 teaspoons of the juice to 1 cup of warm water. Drink this 3 times daily while having pain. You can also add fresh basil leaves to your food. Avoid coffee. Period pain can also be alleviated through simple diet changes. Reduce your coffee consumption since coffee is a well-known vasoconstrictor. It makes blood vessels constrict. In fact, it may cause the vessels that feed the uterus to tighten more than they do in non-coffee drinkers. If you're a die-hard coffee drinker and can't cut it out entirely, try avoiding it just in the week before your period and see if you notice a change. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has antispasmodic, anti-clotting and anti-inflammatory properties that can relieve menstrual pain. Plus, cinnamon is an excellent source of dietary fiber, calcium, iron and manganese. Make cinnamon tea by stirring 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder into a cup of hot water. Let it sit for up to 5 minutes, add a little honey and then sip it slowly. Drink 2 to 3 cups of cinnamon tea 1 to 2 days before your period starts to prevent cramps. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 tablespoon of honey to a glass of warm water. Drink it 3 times during the first day of your period to relieve pain. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are amongst the best home remedies for menstrual pain and cramps. Sesame seeds help in keeping the blood flow regular and reduce the possibility of cramps during the menstrual cycle. Taking sesame seeds soaked in water or eating a handful of the seeds are very helpful in menstrual problems. For best results, one can eat the seeds at least 2 or 3 days before the menstrual cycle starts. Parsley. Parsley is also very effective in getting relief from menstrual pain. Parsley also regulates the regular menstrual cycle. A juice made from parsley can be taken twice a day during periods to prevent excessive menstrual pain. Parsley tea can alternatively be used during periods. Fennel. The antispasmodic, phytoestrogenic and anti-inflammatory properties of fennel can help relax the muscles in the uterus, which in turn relieves cramping and discomfort. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds to a cup of boiling water. Simmer the mixture on low heat for 5 minutes. Remove from heat and strain the tea. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and mix well. Drink this herbal tea 2 times daily beginning 3 days before the expected start date of your cycle. Continue drinking it as needed for pain. Drink it hot for best results. Blackstrap molasses. Another time-tested remedy for menstrual cramps is blackstrap molasses. Being rich in calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, manganese, vitamin B6 and selenium, blackstrap molasses helps reduce blood clots and soothe the muscles of the uterine walls. This in turn lessens cramps during menstruation. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of blackstrap molasses to a cup of warm milk. Drink it as soon as you start having cramps and continue as long as needed. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea has anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties that help relax the uterus and ease the spasmodic contractions that cause pain during menstruation. Bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Pour it into a cup containing a chamomile tea bag. Cover and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Squeeze out the tea bag and add some lemon juice or honey as desired. Drink at least 2 cups of chamomile tea a day during the week before your period. Asafoetida. Asafoetida mixed with butter and honey or cooked asafoetida is effective when menstrual pain is caused due to excessive menstruation. Black cohosh. Black cohosh is a very widely used herb to relieve menstrual pain. The herb can be taken as raw plant or its root can be dried or extracted for internal use. The prescribed dosage is 20–40 mg twice daily and continue till menstrual pain continues. This herb should not be taken during pregnancy as it can cause heart trouble for the infant. Coriander seeds. Coriander seeds have vital anti-inflammatory and other useful properties that makes it very effective in reducing menstrual pain and correcting irregular menstrual cycle. A handful of seeds should be boiled in water till very little water remains, and this should then be strained, and this can be taken twice daily and can be taken when warm for better results. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is great for reducing the intensity of menstrual cramps. The essential fatty acids in flaxseed help stabilize the production of progesterone. Plus, flaxseed can improve uterine function and help treat fertility problems. When suffering from menstrual cramps, consume 1 to 2 tablespoons of flaxseed daily. You can sprinkle ground flaxseed over a salad, cereal and yogurt, or put it in a smoothie. Papaya. A potent anti-inflammatory agent, papaya is very helpful in treating menstrual cramps. Also, it has nutrients like carotene, iron, calcium and vitamins A and C that help soothe the uterine walls and ease muscle contractions. Just before and during your period, include papaya in your diet to minimize or eliminate pain. Along with these remedies, you can do yoga and cardiovascular exercises to help get rid of menstrual cramps. Also, do not forget to drink plenty of water. If you experience severe menstrual cramps on a regular basis, consult a doctor. Water consumption. Drink enough water to keep the body hydrated and to regulate the menstrual flow. Fiber-rich food. Constipation is a very common complaint associated with monthly cycles. Add extra fiber to your diet during periods to keep your digestive system in order. Foods to avoid. Sugar. Reduce consumption of refined sugars as it produces insulin, which results in production of pro-inflammatory prostaglandins. Vegetable fats. Eat less vegetable fats and margarine, as they result in formation of pro-inflammatory prostaglandins, which is the main cause of menstrual pain. Red meats. Red meats are rich in arachidonic acid, which stimulates production of pro-inflammatory prostaglandins. Other foods to avoid. Avoid tea, alcohol and caffeinated foods. Caffeine is a strict no, which might worsen the condition. Avoid white flour products and tinned foods. Salt for obese women. Women who tend to retain water during their periods must limit sodium intake. Salty snacks like chips and cheese can make you feel bloated. Other recommendations. Researchers have shown that anxiety triggers release of adrenaline and cortisol, which increase pain and discomfort during menstrual cycle. Indulge a little in creative pursuits to keep yourself away from thinking of cramps. A positive bent of mind triggers release of several vital hormones which help relief from pain and other menstrual discomforts. Try to incorporate practices such as massage, yoga or meditation into your lifestyle. Exercise should be a regular part of daily activity. Gentle massage and relaxing techniques like acupuncture are also helpful in treating menstrual pain. Thanks for watching. For more health tips, subscribe this channel.